Hi friends, imagine a fast food chain so popular, please get called to control the crowd. A place where people wait for hours just for a box of fried chicken. Sounds crazy, right? This is Baik, Saudi Arabia's most loved fast food chain. Since 1974, Baik is gone from single store in Jeddah to over 120 locations, becoming a cultural phenomenon. What makes Baik special? How did a logo fried chicken joint become a regional obsession? And why did people go so lengths to get a Baik fix? So before we get into the video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. So drop the comment what about this video. So let's begin today's video. By the early 18s, there was about 400 fast food restaurants in Jeddah. Soon, copycat restaurants began popping up. So, using similar branding and menu items, this forced LB took to legal action to protect its trade market. But Isan was also determined to improve their product. He went to Paris to study food technology and in 1984, after returning in France, developed the now famous recipe of 18 secret herbs and spices. For the next 3 years, the brothers spent the evening preparing the secret recipe at an unknown location and figuring into the central kitchen. In the business started into turn around and 1986 they rebranded to restaurant as Baik, meaning this important in progress. And 2 years later, Baik began operating seasonal restaurant in Mina during the hard season. This was actually requested by the Sandy. It was allowed government, but it was hundreds of thousands of pilgrims. One of these seasonal restaurants became known as the busiest fast food in outlets and in the world, serving up 250,000 meals a day. And during peak Hajj season, Baik opened in Medina, another key city for Muslims. Niggers this the brand even more convenient to Hajj. Many people eating at Baik become a traditional during their trip. Some even calling a reward from a god after finishing their pilgrimage. Because of this link to Mecca and Medina, and Baik became a big deal for Muslims everywhere. It also become a huge part of Saudi culture. One of the most obvious signs of this is a crazy long line outside of restaurants. In cities in Baik, people will wait for hours and hours, sometimes in the eat. Get back to famous chicken. In the day, by rear paid, were there no for all cake for the years. Drivers used to make a 9-hour trip from Jeddah, call truck unpacked with the chicken. They then sell it with the ride for way higher prices. Baik's fame is even spread out of Saudi Arabia. Places like Indonesia and Pakistan, people would be there about Baik from returning, and some would pay big bucks for old Baik chicken and Baik sound. Baik commitment to social responsibility has also played a role in its popularity. So it will be continued for part 2. If you want part 2, drop the comment. Let's see how many interested in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. So I see you in my next video on the right. Thank you for watching and bye.